Plant anatomy. Internal organization. The plant body is divided into stem, leaf and root. Evolutionary studies suggest that organization of oldest land plant was very simple, resembling leafless and rootless Devonian plant, Raunia. If seed plants have evolved from these plants, then the leaf, the stem and the root would be closely related phylogenetically, ontogenially. The organs have common origin in the zygote and the resulting embryo, and in the apical meristems of the shoot, the leaf and the stem increments are formed as a unit. At maturity, the leaf and stem merge within another internally and externally. The root and stem also constitute one continuous structure and also have many common features in form, anatomy, function and method of growth. In angiosperms, flower is considered as homologous with a shoot and floral parts with leaves. Both leaves and floral parts are thought to have originated from branch system. Development of plant body. A vascular plant starts its life as a unicellular zygote 2N, which develops into an embryo and then into a mature sporophyte. This development includes division, enlargement and differentiation of cells, and organization of cells into complexes, the tissue and system of tissues. The embryo of seed plant has an axis bearing one or more cotyledons with cells and tissues at a low level of differentiation. At the two opposite ends of the axis, apical meristems of future shoot and root, called plumula and radicle respectively, are present. After a certain period of vegetative growth, the plant enters reproductive phase, primary growth. The increase in plant organs take place as a result of expansion in width and length. This initial growth of root and vegetative and reproductive shoot is known as primary growth. The resultant plant body is termed as primary plant body, consisting of primary tissue. In most cryptogams, algae, pteridophytes, and monocots, entire life cycle is completed in primary plant body. Secondary growth. In gymnosperms, some monocots and most dicots, increase in thickness of root and stem take place by secondary growth. Thus, growth results in the formation of secondary plant body consisting of secondary tissue. The secondary growth may be diffuse when it involves cells of ground tissue not localized in a specific region, any found in monocots, some palms, etc., or it may be cambial secondary growth. The cambium may be of different types. Vascular cambium producing secondary tissue resulting in increase in diameter of root and stem. Cork cambium or phylogen usually develop in peripheral regions. Periderm, a protective tissue which replaces the epidermis.